Your next car could be the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, backup camera, heated front seat, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor. Make excellence your personal standard. Choose the Tucson. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.